welcome back to the, well, I can't even say welcome back to the vlog, but I can say I haven't done a walk pull yet, and I haven't done any gear banging, and I'm at a car meet. So hopefully I can find someone to race and I can do all that in one and show you guys exactly how I feel about it. I did just wash the car and everything, so we're car meet ready. You know how it is. So I'm gonna walk around and show you guys some cars, because I really want to see some cars as well. But yeah, look at the car all cleaned up. It looks pretty good. I won't lie to myself. I got a Camaro right here. I think I know who drives this Camaro actually. Got some slow beds. I'll gap them all. Pro Charger on this? Oh, there is a Pro Charger.
Shocks are not magnet. That's a ECS kit, Max Adobe 1500.
I didn't expect that. I really didn't expect that. Okay. This is sick. This is definitely on. Nah, it has probably coils. This thing is sick. I was gonna say bags, but it'd be lower. This thing is like really nice. I ain't gonna cap. Even if we can't do any runs with anybody, I'm definitely gonna still bang gears and do a you know, a first watt pull reaction and everything like that. This little thing right here. Look at the little dog in there. Hell no, you can't even see the dog. Hold on. What's up, dog? You can't even see him, bro. All right. That's what it sounds like. Go ahead, crazy. Shit. Okay. That little choppy. You wouldn't even expect that out of that, bro. I'm not gonna cap. That guy is so disciplined. There he goes. Okay, it feels a lot different now. It feels a lot different now with this short throw, guys. Woo! All right, so my foot isn't even fast enough. I gotta get calibrated with this. It's a lot different than that long semi shifter I was shifting with. Oh, fuck, bro. That is crazy how fast I can get that into gear now. That's ridiculous. Definitely moves now with the shifter. Now it's just in terms of me. Now really all it boils down to is just me adapting to get good enough for the shifter because it's a lot shorter. I do still want to shift the shift to the GT350 shift knob just because it's a little bit bigger. It's just like it'll probably sit like right here and I'll be able to grab it better if that makes sense. And it has like leather wrapped around it with a billet aluminum case top like this is. That's not aluminum, is it? It looks like it is almost, but it's not. I know it's not. But yeah, I want to get the 350 shifter. I'm gonna get a replica because you don't have to drill and tap the replica for it to fit your MT82 shifter thread pattern or whatever. With the replica, like you just slap it on with a GT350. The only thing about the GT350, like actual one, is it is weighted, and I don't think the replica is all that heavy. And I do want something a little bit heavier so I can just throw it into gear. But we'll see. Hopefully y'all take care. Have a good one. It's a Mercedes. What kind of Mercedes is that? See y'all next time.